2025 registration is now open. In today's video, we will get an insight into CAT 2025 application. The full form of CAT is Common Admission Test, and this time CAT 2025 will be conducted by IIM Kozhikode. CAT is a national level examination and it is conducted once a year. And 2025 CAT examination is scheduled on November 30th, 2025. The CAT examination on 30th November 2025 will be conducted in 3 slots. Session 1 consists of 2 hours 8:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Session 2 consists of 2 hours starting from 12:30 p.m. and will continue till 2:30 p.m. And session 3 will commence at 4:30 p.m. and will end at 6:30 p.m. The Common Admission Test CAT 2025 examination fees is 2,600 for general category students and 1,300 rupees for reserved category students. In order to appear for CAT 2025, you need to be a graduate and the minimum marks in graduation should be 50% in aggregate. For reserved categories SC, ST or PWD students, the cutoff has been lowered till 45%. The CAT examination is computer-based test with multiple choice questions and non-multiple choice questions. And the syllabus consists of verbal ability and reading comprehension, data interpretation and logical reasoning, and quantitative ability. If we look into the CAT 2025 examination pattern, VARC will have 24 questions and it will be of 40 minutes duration. The DILR section will have 22 questions and it will be of 40 minutes duration, whereas the quantitative ability will have 22 questions and will be of 40 minutes duration. Every questions will carry 3 marks and there will be a negative marking of -1 for incorrect attempts. Here are the important dates pertaining to CAT 2025 examination. As we all know that the notification has been released on July 27, 2025. The CAT 2025 application process has already started from August 1st, 2025 and it will continue till September 13th, 2025. The CAT 2025 admit card will be released on November 5th, 2025 and the CAT 2025 examination, as I have already told you, is scheduled on November 30, 2025. Now I will explain in details the CAT 2025 registration process. First, you have to visit the website iimcat.ac.in, which is now shown on the screen. This is the official website for CAT 2025 registration. In the second step, you have to click on the new registration. And the next step, you have to enter your name, your date of birth, your nationality, phone number, and a valid email ID to register. After that, you have to log in with the ID received in the registered email to fill the CAT 2025 application form. You have to enter the personal and academic details like your guardian's name, your graduation details. And in the next step, you have to upload a recent passport size photo along with a scanned signature. In the next step, you have to select the preferred courses and IIMs. In the next step, you have to select the test city preference from the drop-down menu. At the end, you have to pay the CAT application fee as per your category via credit card or debit card or net banking.